That log there used to be a lovely comfortable place to sit, just in this little glade here. And as you can see, the tree that it sat next to has come down. To see if I can reinstate it between a couple of these mounds of earth. So welcome back to the Long Mynd, folks, and welcome back to Wild Astro. It's a stunning day up here today. Best views in Shropshire from up here across towards the Welsh border. Amazing. The gliding club are throwing gliders up, so I'm going to wait until a bit later on before thinking about putting the drone up. But a day like today can't be missed. I'm here at the usual Shropshire Mafia spot, just me with a tarp, as you've just seen, and I'm just going to go find myself some firewood to have a nice little fire on the wolf and grizzly fire safe tonight. I'll find the right kind of wood. Obviously, the recent storms have brought a lot of trees down in these pine forests behind me here, but I'm only going to be looking for recently fallen dead wood. Obviously, if it's been lying on the floor too long, it's going to be colonised by all sorts of little organisms that are starting to break it down. And if it's not been dead long enough, then it's still going to be green and isn't going to burn very well. So I just found some lovely dry twigs for my kindling, as you saw me just breaking up. Again, that was from a recently fallen tree. So I've got my little folding saw. I'm going to go see what I can find. Hopefully I'll find enough wood to have a nice fire tonight and cook a bit of a steak and mushrooms and one or two other nice bits I've brought with me. So yeah, let's go and find some wood. Right, here's a nice recently fallen one. You can see the end of the break there is still very, very light in colour. Hasn't had time to get all weathered and discoloured by the elements yet. So this looks promising. Might try that branch there that's suspended off the floor. Let's see how I get on with that. So I'm not one with a lot of bushcraft tools, but I just picked this up. Nice little folding saw. This is just from Screwfix. I know I'm not suggesting for a second that everyone suddenly goes and starts buying themselves bushcraft saws from Screwfix, but it's pretty impressive. And yes, this wood is absolutely ideal for cutting with something like that, but nevertheless, excellent. And this bag here is a beautiful piece of rump steak that I have smeared with butter, and into that butter I mixed garlic, onion powder and salt and a little bit of something else that I can't remember right now. Chili flakes. Yeah, some chili flakes. And what I've done is on the other side of that steak there, you'll see there's less of it. And what I've done is I've taken some of that butter off the steak, and that is what the mushrooms are currently cooking in. So what you see in the pan there is my starter, garlic mushrooms. Yum. Here we go. Well, I'm sorry to say, folks, that was it for that trip. Shortly after eating, some stomach pains came on, and they got so bad that I ended up being sick. I got so concerned about it, and the pain got so bad that I decided the best thing to do was to gradually pack away, make my way back across the Long Mynd into the van and home again. So by 1 o'clock the following morning I was in bed, and that's pretty much where I stayed for 3 days. The doctors think that the pains are currently related to my hiatus hernia. I've been put back on gastrosuppressant capsules, and tests are ongoing. So for now, that's all from Wild Astro. I will be back again on another adventure soon, doing my best not to let these stomach pains affect things too much. But keep an eye out, because I'll be releasing my astrophotography guide specific to GoPro and mobile phone quite soon. So if that's something that interests you, then do stay with me. But until then, this is Richie for Wild Astro, signing off.